Hey guys, welcome back to another class. My name is Braden Messer. I am an artist, an author, a YouTuber, and today I'm going to be the one that teaches you how to draw. This is part 2 of a 3-part series that I am making where I'm taking you through and I'm showing you how you can draw 3 different reference photos from 3 different angles. We are going to be using the Loomis method and the Asaro method throughout the series so that you can begin to understand just how easy drawing human portraits can be. Now, I will say that if you find yourself enjoying this class and kind of how it's constructed, how it flows, then I know for a fact that you would love my new book, Drawing the Portrait, Step-by-Step Lessons for Mastering Classic Techniques for Beginners. This book does a great job of breaking down step-by-step exactly how to use the Loomis method and the Asaro method, and it explains the principle of which these 2 methods are rooted in. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, I will drop a link in the description of the class so that you can order one for yourself. Now, what to expect. In this class, it is comprised of 11 different lessons where we start off by breaking down the Loomis method into its step-by-step flow. Once we have the Loomis head constructed, I'm then going to show you how you can easily use contour lines to place the ear and the hair on your Loomis head. From there, we are going to switch from the Loomis method to the Asaro method, and I'm going to show you how you can begin to break down the facial features of the individual using the Asaro planes with the Asaro head model as your guide. We're going to go through and draw the eyes, the nose, the lips, and then we're going to break down the face into its individual Asaro planes so that the portrait has its structure. Once we have that, we're then going to switch gears again, and I'm going to start showing you how to hatch and double hatch, eventually cross hatch, and build your values so that we can introduce volume and form to the portrait. Once we have that, we're then going to go in and I'm going to show you subtle techniques that you can use to make the eyes pop, to give the nose a little bit more dimension, to really make that hair on top of the head pop. And by the end, we're going to have an amazingly drawn portrait. So that's what to expect with the actual class itself. Now, I know this is a lot, and especially if you've never drawn a portrait before, it can be very daunting, absolutely. So, what I would advise as a best practice is go through and just sit back, relax, and just watch the class, right? Really try to just soak everything in and treat it almost as if it's a movie. Once you've done that, and it's fresh in your mind, then I would say draw along with me and actually do your project. Once you have your project, make sure you upload it and leave your review of the class. Yes, I love reading your reviews, not to mention it helps others that are maybe searching for a class that would benefit them to make the decision on whether or not they should take it. And it also allows me to showcase your project in my monthly newsletter that comes out the first half of every single month. So this is a great way for you to not only get your name out there, but your art as well amongst other artists here on the Skillshare community. And then to wrap everything up, I wanted to let you know that I now offer one-on-one sessions. So how those work is if you go to my homepage at the very top, it says book a one-on-one session with Messer Creations. From there, you can book a 1-hour conference call with me where we can meet each other. You can email me as many drawings and questions as we can fit in that little 60-minute time frame, and I will give you my critique. I will tell you what I would do, what you've done great. We can talk about different mediums, whatever it is that you're using. The whole point of this one-on-one session is think of it almost as an investment that you make in yourself, because it allows me to help you develop as an artist as far as the different techniques, maybe thought process, right? There's lots of things that go in to being a really good artist, and the whole point of this one-on-one is for me to help you grow and develop yourself. So yeah, that is it. That is all. And I hope to see you in class.